Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 22, Shloka number 40. The Lord's lotus feet, boat to cross samsara. This is a wonderful discussion between Sanat Kumara and Prithu Maharaj. Kruchro mahaniha bhavarnavamaplavesham. Kruchro mahaniha bhavarnavamaplavesham. Bhavarnavam aplavisham aplavisham Kruchro mahaniha bhavarnavam aplavisham Kruchro mahaniha bhavarnavam aplavisham. Shadvarganakrama sukhena titirshante. Shadvarganakrama sukhena titirshante. Shadvarganakrama sukhena titirshante. Tattvam harer bhagavato bhajaniyamangrim. Tattvam harer bhagavato. Tattvam harer bhagavato bhajaniyamangrim. Tattvam harer bhagavato bhajaniyamangrim. Krutvodupam vyasanamuttara dustararnam. Krutvodupam vyasanamuttara dustararnam. Krutvodupam krutvodupam vyasanamuttara dustararnam. Dustararnam. Kruchro mahanya bhavarnavamaplavisham. Kruchro mahanya bhavarnavamaplavisham. Shadvarganakrama sukhena titirshante. Tattvam harer bhagavato bhajaniyamangrim. Tattvam harer bhagavato bhajaniyamangrim. Krutvodupam vyasanamuttara dustararnam. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The ocean of nescience is very difficult to cross because it is infested with many dangerous sharks. Although those who are non-devotees undergo severe austerities and penances to cross the ocean, we recommend that you simply take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, which are like boats for crossing the ocean. Although the ocean is difficult to cross, by taking shelter of his lotus feet, you will overcome all dangers. Kruchro mahanya bhavarnavamaplavaisham षड्वर्गनक्रम सुखेन तितीर्षन्ते तत्त्वं हरेर्भगवतो भजनीयमङ्घ्रिम् कृत्वोडुपं व्यसनमोत्तर दुस्तरार्णम् कृत्वोडुपं व्यसनमुत्तर दुस्तरार्णम् उत्तर दुस्तरार्णम्. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.